to take the Rajesh. He's coming. So we'll give him later. He'll come. Mr. Rajesh Taude, another director of the company and a great dedicated perfectionist. He has set up the factory in Egypt and he has recently set up the factory in Bangalore. So he is instrumental behind setting up a lot of factories and seeing that all their quality is met. So thank you. And apart from that, helping us. Okay. I now have the pleasure of introducing somebody we met not so long ago. And I'll call upon Mr. Saurabh from Purkayastha, from the Rotary Club of South Bombay. Saurabh was the ex-president of the Rotary Club of South Bombay when they decided to support the work of the foundation. And last year, they gave us a sum of about 48-50 lakhs to support the treatment of spina bifida patients. Extremely dynamic person supporting a whole lot of social causes. They help in treating children with congenital heart disease at Wadia Hospital, and himself a top corporate leader, should I call it poncho, I don't know, but graduated from the University of Berkeley, then was at the IIM, at the Jamnalal Bajaj Institute, then started his career in the Navy and got several credits and awards in the Navy, and now supports the growth of many startup ventures, and a great traveler. He shuttles from Mumbai to Kolkata, and today also I think he came from the airport to be here with us. So I'm really thankful to all these people who strongly support the work of the foundation. And I request Ravina to please felicitate, and I request Mr. Rajiv Mehta to please remain on stage. And it would not be right if I don't mention the name of El Skinny, a Belgian by origin, but married to the famous Skinny family, who's a lawyer family, and she herself is a lawyer. So it was her and Saurabh who first met us. Unfortunately, she can't be here today. We don't have a representative of HDFC Life with us today because I think he's in Bangalore. But HDFC Life also gave us a lot of CSR support in these last few years. So I thought I need to mention and acknowledge their help. Now I want to call to introduce Mr. Rishabh and Miss Anjana, or their parents, Dr. Parag Shah and Mrs. Shah, to please come up, and Janvi will introduce.
So this is a different gesture which we happen to get this time. So Mr. Parag Bhai and Preeti Shah's son got married recently, and they shared the entire gift for the reception, for the wedding, with the foundation. So thank you so much, Parag Bhai.
In fact, it was, please come up, such a great gesture that in their wedding invitation, they printed that instead of any gifts presents, please donate to the foundation. So that was absolutely inspiring, and so I mean anyone whom I tell this, they are just in awe. And the foundation had a desk at their wedding.
I and Santosh were together in the medical education. I was a surgeon, he was a pediatric surgeon, and he helped me a lot at that time. So I thought I should reciprocate.
Thank you so much.
Parag Bhai happens to be a great hiker, runner, skier, what do you call it? Skiing. He does great things and he always pushes us from the back, run better, how you keep your hands better. And now he is a part of our foundation, so he will also guide us how to run the foundation well. Thank you so much, Parag Bhai.
We also have amongst us India's most popular singing couple. Okay, Mr. Samir Date and Deepali Date. And that's what your ad says, and it's great. And they have been touring all over the world, doing shows, and they just did one last week in Australia with Sonu Nigam's father, and it was a great sold out hit. And Samir and Dipali have been supporting the work of the foundation for these past few years, and they do it with great uh, honesty and with great charity, and it's artists for a cause. And maybe, so please I invite them up. We need to acknowledge the help that they've given. They did a charity concert during COVID for the foundation. And I request Ravina ji and Rajiv ji to please felicitate both of them. So there are a few more people on this list, but unfortunately they could not come. We have their plaques. We'll see that they are delivered. But now I want to acknowledge a spina bifida individual who has, I mean, taken a lot of effort to help the foundation with its media, with its website, and she is a wheelchair user from Hyderabad. Um, Chandana is her name. Okay. Oh, Sneha has some video message from her because she recently got an admission in some US university and she is there. But her aunt, father's sister, is here to receive the memento on behalf of Hari Chandan.
Hi everyone. Just wanted to say thank you so much for the wonderful honor. I feel Spina Bifida Foundation to be very, very, very close to my heart. I have learned a lot. I found some of my really close friends through the foundation, and I think the reason why I was able to come for my MBA in US and be able to get into Duke and make the move and shift of leading a very independent life. I think it's all happened because of the confidence and also all of the great projects and the research and just the conversations that I had because of my involvement with the Spina Bifida Foundation. And I am so thankful for Dr. Karmarkar sir for just the opportunities and just the amount of support, especially the moral support that he has usually offered to all of the people, everybody that's part of the foundation. It's been phenomenal, and I'm so happy, and I'm so thankful for all of the moments that I was able to contribute to it, and I am looking forward to even more doing so on Sandbag, and I would like to continue and offer the support in any way that I can. So thank you so much, and I'm hoping to see everybody really soon. Bye.
Thank you to Harichandana. I'll send her a video message back. And on behalf of Harichandana, we have her father's sister, both her sisters, to receive the plaque. Please come, sir. Please, come. Last, is it last or some more? Yes. Of course. I mean, one of the absolute pillars of support for the foundation since we sowed the seeds of the foundation, and whom we realized after so many years, but better late than never, that we have not yet formally acknowledged. And that is none other, and many of you know him, Dr. Anant Bangar. He's still probably hiding somewhere. It's all because of his absolute dedicated support. I mean, all the surgeries that we do, it is because Anant is there. He is now in some steps of the surgery better than me. So, the foundation, though late, wishes to acknowledge Anand's great support. Thank you, Anand. Okay.